Hello, we are looking at a question that appeared on the CT6 exam, April 2016, question number 3. Let's read the question. A child playing a game believes that a six-sided die is unfair and that he has a probability P bigger than 1/6 of predicting the outcome of any given throw. His mother is less sure, and her prior beliefs about P are as follows. A 1/3 chance that P is 2/6 and a 2/3 chance that P is 1/6. So let me draw a tree diagram first. So I have P equals to 1/6 and P equals to 2/6. Okay, those are the prior beliefs about P that the mom has. The child accurately predicts the results of 4 out of 10 dice throws. So let's read the question first. We're asked to calculate the posterior probability that P is 1/6. Okay, now we've got 10 throws, and I'm going to call this getting a success, and these throws are our trials, and let's say I have x equals to 4. That means I have 4 successes in 10 trials, so n equals to 10. Okay, and I will write down the binomial formula here. We are going to be using the binomial formula. It will be NCR PR 1 minus P n minus R. Okay, this is the binomial distribution formula. Okay, we are asked to calculate the posterior probability that P is 1/6. Let's write a probability statement for this. Okay, what are we asked to find? We are asked to find the probability that P equals to 1/6 given that x equals to 4. Okay, so this one here, let me remind you of the formula that we learned in a statistics class. A given B is what? Probability of A given B is probability of A and B over probability of B. So that's what we're going to use here. So this one here will be probability of P equals to 1/6 and x equals to 4, the whole thing divided by x equals to 4. So I need to find the numerator and I need to find the denominator. So I started with my tree diagram here. P equals to 1/6. What is the probability? 2/3. P equals to 2/6. What is the probability? 1/3. That's given to me. So I have my next branch from the tree. This is 4 and this is not 4. Okay, this will be 4 and this will be not 4. I'm not interested in the not 4. I'm only interested in the, if you don't like to write 4, you can write x equals to 4 here. Okay, x equals to 4. Good. Now these are conditional probabilities. X equals to 4 given that P is 1/6. This one here is probability of x equals to 4 given that P is 2/6. Let's go ahead and find the conditional probabilities first. Looking at my working, probability x equals to 4 given that P is 1/6. Using the binomial formula, I'll have NCR. Good, it will be 10C4. 1/6 raised to the power of 4, and 1 minus P will be, again, 1 minus P will be 5/6 raised to the power of 6. Use the calculator and you will get 0.054266. The next conditional probability, x equals to 4 given that P equals to 2/6, the one here, 10C4. Now the value of P is 2/6 raised to the power of 4. 1 minus 2/6 is 4/6 raised to the power of 6. And use a calculator and you'll get 0.22760 8. Yeah. Okay. Now, the numerator here, probability that p equals to 1 over 6 and x equals to 4, you can get it if you go along this branch. So you just take 2 over 3, multiply by what you have found here. That will be 2 over 3 times 0.054266. Okay, so let me write it here. 2 over 3 times 0.054266. Now, I need to find my denominator. Probability x equals to 4. So, probability x equals to 4 will be probability of p equals to 1 over 6 and x equals to 4 plus probability of p equals to 2 over 6 and x equals to 4. So basically you go along this branch and you go along this branch, add them up, and you'll get your denominator. So let's take a look at that. So probability x equals to 4 will be equals to x equals to 4 and p equals to 1/6 plus probability x equals to 4 and p equals to 2 over 6, like I mentioned here. Now, x equals to 4 and p equals to 2 over 6, just go along this branch. So you take 1 over 3 times 0.0227608, that's what you see here. You add these up and you will get probability x equals to 4 as 0.112047. Take that number and put it inside here in the denominator. Let's follow my working. Okay, that's what you see here. The numerator divided by the denominator. Use a calculator and you'll get 0.323.